Hey, my name is Brandon with Good Golly Garage Doors. I'm here to replace this 16 and 8 by 7 foot door. They're 26 years old. Let's get it. I'm gonna take this J-arm off the door so I can remove all the sections. Pop this top section off, then we're gonna work our way down. Should be free, we're gonna pop her off.
You have a card on you? Don't worry about it. I'll
get one. I'll get one later.
I'll bring one over to you guys, okay?
I have a garage guy, and you know, it's either hit or miss.
Yeah, we'll leave you guys a card in just a jiffy. I'll come over there and talk to you guys. This is a horizontal track. It's what holds the door up when it's in the up position. It just guides the door up to the right position so it's opening and closing correct. Yeah, I got a few more to take down. I got this one on the 16, got 2 on the single door. We're getting there though, man. We're gonna knock this out. Not a bad day though today in Las Vegas. So it's only 90 degrees, so you know, it's not 120, so we're cooking. This is the muscle of the whole system, man. If you don't got good springs, then you need to get some. You wanna fold this door up in your back seat and take it back with you?
What's that?
I said you wanna fold this door up in your back seat and take it back with you?
Hey, my little car fits a lot of stuff.
I know it, I like that. This is the rail of the opener. Yeah, this whole system is a garage door opener system. Somebody worked hard to put this one up here. Look at that. Zip tied too, that's double durable. Oh, damn, I never want that baby to come down. And she's free. You see that tear right here in the top of this section? That's the top section of the 8-foot door. That's from not having the strut across the top. Wear and tear, this is just aluminum. It's gonna shake and rattle until this bends. It's always good to get that strut on the 8-foot door as well as the 16. These 7-foot doors usually have 7 full turns on the spring, 28 quarter turns. Look at these old wheels, man, these old metal wheels. Just make sure you guys maintenance your doors, man. That oil comes in handy, man. These wheels are just walled out. You see that wobble in that? Those bearings are making all kinds of clacking noises. Get you some of those good nylon 4-inch bearings. That one was a pain. I can tell you that that spring is very old. You see the discolorization of this? The different rust spots, the lines. This spring's probably been here a good 15 years. They don't make them like that anymore too often, I'll tell you that. It's lived its life, that's for sure. Seen its day. Once you get those bottom sections in that vertical track, it's easy peasy, baby. We slamming all these in. Now we can go back to the big door if we wanted to. So after we get the third section in, I like to do the horizontal track at the top. Otherwise, you ain't gonna have nothing to hold that top section in. We're gonna mount this horizontal track to this bracket up here, lift the top up so we can get some horizontal access up here. It's got the last section in on the small door here. Everything's looking good. We got some smudges we need to clean up, of course, and everything, but it's all good. We just got to get these last section, these other sections up for the 16-foot door and the springs, and we'll be done. Easy peasy, man. Let's get to it. This other side, we'll put this cable on this other left drum over, this right drum over here. Yeah. They've got some years on them. Look at all that. So I put 29 quarter turns on here, 7.5 almost full turns. I count by quarter turn, so every turn you I count 1/4 turn. These lines also will tell you, if you count these, you got 2, 4, 6, 8, but you only got a half of one right here. So you got 7.5 full turns on the spring right here. And we're gonna check the balance. We're gonna tighten these lock nuts, and then we're gonna check the balance of the door to make sure it's good. But first, before we do that, we gotta put some bolts in the back track so the door doesn't fall on. So we just finished the little door right here. Everything's looking smooth and good in there. We just gotta put the new opener in there when we get done. Look at that. Perfect action, baby. Stays right in the middle. Nice, smooth flow. So we almost there, baby. One more to go.